Haka pu kaping rengkat bat karwai kasiau kasyat kakmen bat ru rengkat kejing lekai baper la penkut penwai ya katayau LEHKMEN jong ki KHYNNAH SKUL jong St. George Secondary School NONGMENSONG. Hakani katayau borok citayau ke skul kelap penlong ya kejing lekai baper hapok ke skul kebalong na kebenta ki KHYNNAH SKUL ki bakentup ya kejing kop peniriam kejing ya tainya karwai kasyat bat lala ru bat nai ya ki kusnam syakinong job habarok ki jajing lekai.
Then we have got the next category, that is the furniture. We need to come faster. In the senior category, in the sub-senior
Haka singi penkut lawan ru ban sakhi dau MLA kathan yuba LEHK kinong ilam jong kathan rengkat ru principal jong ke skul Simon Joseph rengkat ru bat ki kimiki kepal jong ki KHYNNAH SKUL.
The darkness of this world. So my friends, your friends, today we have seen, we have also our in our midst, our good friends coming all the way from Maidan, Maulat is present here today, and with his son, Bakrao, is going to give a special number to all of us. And also we have Abing, one of the prominent residents of NONGMENSONG, who is here with us in this gathering. So today, the St. George has every school has organized the talent search, the talent hunts among all the students who are having their own talents. Many of us, we are having our own talents, but many of us, we don't utilize the talents properly. Somebody has hidden talent, somebody has visibility talent, somebody has exposed their talent, and somebody has not utilized at all their talent which is given by God. The talent is a God gifted. It has gifted to all of us. It has gifted to me, it has gifted to you, it has gifted to everyone. We have to utilize our talent, and not only a simple utilization. We need also to translate our talents into professional. Today, the talent has become a kind of, a career in our life. And nobody has been visibility to take their talents as their own career. We have to build up this talent and use it as our future career. So therefore, I appeal to all our young students who have been talented, have so many talents in their life, to be used properly and translated it into reality. And one day, the talents will become the future of your life.